In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and adjust your controller analog stick dead zone here within Battlefield 6. Before we dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you are currently dealing with stick drift, tweaking your dead zone settings can help. To go ahead and do this, go ahead and navigate over to the settings tab, and from here, go on this left sidebar and find your controller settings. Click on it just like so, and in the bottom right, you're going to see the button to go ahead and edit your settings. Select that button right there. And then from here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the option for controller tuning. This should be at the very bottom. Simply go ahead and select it just like so. And you're going to see a bunch of new settings. You're going to see an option for left stick and right stick dead zone. Adjust to the left stick and go ahead and adjust your dead zone however you would like. And then go down to your right stick and do the exact same thing. Now you may notice that there's a center dead zone, an axial dead zone, and a max input threshold. The center dead zone is going to be how far you need to move the stick before it registers input. Increasing this is obviously going to help reduce drift. The axial dead zone is going to control diagonal input sensitivity. I recommend just keeping this as it is. And then the max input threshold is going to be how far you push the stick to register full movement. I recommend adjusting both sticks, focusing on the center dead zone until the drift is gone. But if this video guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Battlefield content like this. Have a great day. Peace.